This is serious because you can get capital up to $250,000. That is a huge amount of money. So trading journal is like must have. Every trader should have that. If you don't have trading journal, don't expect any effects later on. After some losses, most of the people trying to recover from that, and you open positions that doesn't make sense and that lead to more losses, and maybe you can lose your account.
What if I just fail a challenge and it doesn't work out?
Check your journal, check what you did wrong. Maybe you should change something, maybe you should avoid something. So just analyze everything what you did on the challenge, what went wrong, and if there's no setup, you just simply do not trade. You should leave the market. There's no point to sit all day by the charts. If you got all day, don't spend it by the charts because it will lead you to over trading.
Hello traders, today with me is Bart.
Hello. Hi everyone.
I will ask you a few questions about my funding accounts today. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go.
Okay, let's get started. How much time should you spend on trading each day on a challenge?
On a challenge, it depends how much time you have, basically. If you are working and maybe you got time before job or after job, you can trade before or after. The thing is, there's no point to sit all day by the charts. If you got all day, don't spend it by the charts because it will lead you to over trading and you don't want to do that. So basically, maximum 4 hours, 1 to 4 hours maximum, because you need to have fresh mind, do some analyze, wait for the perfect setup, perfect entry, and that's it. Usually it should be enough around 2 hours.
Okay, Bart, and what to do on days when there are no setups? How to stay patient and calm?
If there are no setups, you just shouldn't trade. Just leave it. I got some days where I do not place any trade because I can't see anything that makes sense for me. So if there's no setup, you just simply do not trade. You should leave the market. You can use that time to do some back tests, some market replay. Focus on that instead of finding setups. That usually doesn't make sense.
How can you avoid overtrading when you want to just pass the challenge faster?
Set your limits. You need to set your limits like I did, maximum of 3 trades per day. And if you're gonna open 3 trades, stop trading. If you're gonna have some losses, that's it. Don't worry. Tomorrow is another day. If you're gonna have profits, that's perfect. Stop it. Because if you got good day, don't waste it, because after 3 take profits, if you sometimes we got like God modes, we want to even make some more because you had 3 nice take profits, 3 nice trades, and you want some more, and usually it ends up with 0 or even some losses. So 3 trades maximum. Try to stick to that and you should be fine.
That's great advice, Bart. What if I just fail a challenge and it doesn't work out?
Just buy a new challenge. Easy. No, it's if you fail the challenge, you should stop and wait a little bit. Check your journal, check what you did wrong, maybe you should change something, maybe you should avoid something. So just analyze everything what you did on the challenge, what went wrong, and try to get as much information as you can from that, and try to avoid it with the next challenge. But you need to get prepared for the next challenge then.
Yeah, you need to, for example, learn a new strategy, or
maybe not new strategy, just think about what you did wrong, because sometimes there are some small issues, some details, maybe you forgot about something. So check if you did everything good. If not, try to do it better next time. But first analyze all your accounts, what you did, what were currency pairs. Maybe you should focus on 2 or 3 instruments. That's it.
Okay, and what if you have like an issue with targeting the mistake and like finding out what you could do better?
If you got trading journal, you should be able to find what was wrong. If you got statistics about currency pairs, your trades, you can find out maybe that, I don't know, maybe USD CHF was your worst currency pair. You had most losses on that currency pair. Maybe you should leave it and focus on the currency pair that gave you the most profit.
And how many trades do you usually make per day?
Per day, between 1 and 3 trades maximum.
Yeah.
Maximum. If I got 2 losses, I stop trading. Because my stop loss is maximum 1% per trade, and if I hit 2 stop losses, I stop trading. I'm waiting for the next day.
Yeah, it's the best for the mindset.
Yes, yes. Because after some losses, most of the people trying to recover from that, and you open positions that doesn't make sense and that lead to more losses, and maybe you can lose your account.
Okay, Barton, is it worth using a trader's journal during the challenge, and how to keep it?
Yeah, I think everyone should have trading journal if you want to do it right, treat it like professional. You must have trading journal, and you should write everything down every single day. Put your trades in, screenshots, write down what you did wrong, your emotions, everything, statistics. So trading journal is like must have. Every trader should have that. If you don't have trading journal, don't expect any effects later on, because I think this is the game changer, trading journal. And if you not started yet, try to start. Put some basic things like screenshot from your trade. Try to write down what currency pair is it, which day, what time was it a Euro session, was it American session, and did you finish with profit, loss. After 1 week, 1 month, try to analyze everything, and you will get important informations that will lead you to success, I think.
Okay, so this is the best way to organize your trading journey.
Yes, I think so, yeah.
And how to mentally prepare for drawdown?
How you can prepare for that depends which account do you have. If you got small account, it hurts less. If you got big account, it might hurt a bit more. It's hard to prepare for that. If you got your trading journal, if you got right risk management, you're not risking more than 0.5 or 1%. It's a whole process. So if you're getting close to the maximum drawdown, let's say, you know what's going on. So I know it's hard, but I'm not sure how to prepare for that. It happens, and you need to know that maybe not for the first time you will pass the challenge. So give yourself few attempts. So if you got like, let's say $1,000, don't just spend it for one account. Give yourself multiply chances, and maybe buy smaller accounts and start from small, step by step. If you don't do it on the first time, you know that you got some money to try for the next time. So do it slowly. Start from the smallest account.
Okay, and what is the difference between trial account and challenge?
On demo account, if you pass the demo account, let's say you're gonna get 10% profit, you won't get nothing. This is demo account, this is free, this is just for the tests. So don't expect that you're gonna get some money or you're gonna get funded if you make 10% profit on demo account. On challenge account is different. There are 2 phases, but to withdraw some money, you need to pass 2 phases, get funded, and if you're gonna have some profits, then you can withdraw money. Because sometimes people think that they can withdraw money after the first phase. No, this is not funded. First phase and the second phase, this is challenge and verification phase, where company needs to check your skills. If you can prove that you can trade well, you will get capital for investing, and all your profits on funded account, you can withdraw 90% of it. So on demo account, you won't get nothing, just for tests.
Okay, so spread is 90% of the profit are for the trader and 10% of the profit is for the company.
Exactly. You keep 90% of profit, company only takes 10%.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah, I think this is pretty cool because you are not risking your own money.
Passing the challenge, is it better to treat it as a test of your skills or as an investment in your future?
I think it's better to treat it like investment in your future. If you want to test your skills, just, strategy and stuff like that, you can do it on demo account.
Yeah.
If you start doing challenge, you do it for something. You want to get founded. So this is like investment in your future. That's why you should treat it the right way. So trading journal, like I said before, and this is serious. This is serious because you can get capital up to $250,000. That is a huge amount of money. So to do it right, you need to get prepared first, and demo account might be a good idea to test your skills. Then try to prove to the company that you know what you are doing, and then you will get capital for investing and you can withdraw money.
Thank you very much for today. See you next time.
Thank you. See you next time.
Bye. Do you want to learn an effective trading strategy? If so, you just need to sign up for our free webinar where experienced trader Bartosz Rode shares all the details. You just need to click the link below.